Look, the rudder came off now.
Rudder's gone.
Crap. But I see opportunity in failure. I don't know if that's a quote from anybody or something. Because, well, it looks less cool, but I can't tell if this looks cooler or not.
It doesn't.
It also looks smaller. Changed my mind.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a plane up there. Looks like it
Because its physical length has been decreased.
by like an inch. Ready?
That thing's not gonna fly.
Oh, I can get it to fly.
I mean, yeah, you still have elevators, but...
I mean, the B-2 doesn't have a tail. Sure, there's a freaking supercomputer flying that thing. And there's just me, but...
This didn't work out too well.
Yeah. But things happen, and we could probably...
Flying wing designs only works
Well, I mean,
now.
it's not a flying wing. See, there's got this. If I just cut this
That's
off, now it's
true.
a flying wing. Let's fly. That thing went into a fallen flat spin instantly.
Yeah. I think the results are gonna be the same.
Get in the air, stubborn aircraft.
It's not gonna get into the air, I'm sorry.